New tonight at 5, public safety resources could face big-time cuts as the city is looking for new ways to close a multi-million-dollar budget deficit. City leaders are holding budget workshops this month to try to address the shortfall, and police and fire officials are discussing how their departments could possibly reduce spending. Fox 40's Noah Anderson joining us here live at 5 with more. Noah, on those possible cuts.
Yeah, that's right, Eric. Each city department was asked to model what a 15% reduction to their budget would look like. And for Sacramento's police and fire departments, that reduction could have impacts to response times and to staffing.
Mayor, we now move to item 16, early budget work session.
To address its projected $66.2 million budget deficit, the Sacramento City Council is holding a series of budget work sessions this month. City officials say the shortfall is driven by rising costs, increased spending on priorities like homelessness, and general fund expenses growing faster than revenue.
These are staff's recommendations to set a baseline to balance the budget.
Tuesday's workshop included presentation from Sacramento's police and fire chiefs outlining how their departments could cut costs if reductions are required.
We're going to work in alignment with the city, but we also need to maintain our very core, very essential services.
Sacramento police say a 15% reduction would eliminate 62 positions total, 47 vacancies, and 15 filled sworn positions, but no sworn officers would lose their jobs. The plan would also scale back several units, including hiring and recruiting, investigations, and the K-9 unit. The proposal could also reduce the city's shot spotter program from 3 locations to 1, eliminating its south and east coverage areas while keeping its north. This comes just months after the city approved a new contract for the gunfire detection software.
It helps us when we're responding to those shootings in real time. We're able to get to those calls faster and more efficiently, and then on the back end investigate those shootings more efficiently.
For the Sacramento Fire Department, reductions would also include the elimination of vacant positions and the implementation of what they're calling dynamic staffing.
What we commonly refer to as brownouts. If we do start brownouts, that's a slower response time that decreases that level of firefighter safety for us when we're on these incidents.
Under the reduction plan, no sworn fire personnel would lose their jobs, but Captain Justin Sylvia says these reductions could increase the risk of injury for firefighters.
Anytime that we are putting our bodies through more stress, running more calls potentially, you're going to risk that injury.
City Manager Markeisha Smith says no matter the department, proposing reductions are not easy conversations. Now, it's important to note that none of these reductions have been finalized just yet. And with these models, a good kind of, comparison here is a restaurant menu. You get all of these different options before you make your final order. And that's exactly what's happening with these models in this situation. So the city manager will have a proposed balanced budget expected by the end of April. Some city council discussions will follow in May, and a final budget adoption is expected in early June. Live in Sacramento covering local news that matters, Noah Anderson, Fox 40 News.
All right, Noah, thank you.